What steps do I need to follow to recover my WhatsApp account without a phone number?
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to recover your WhatsApp account without a phone number. Losing access to your account can be stressful, but don't worry, we're here to help you regain control of your WhatsApp account. So, let's get started.
Verify your email address.
The first step to recover your WhatsApp account without a phone number is to verify your email address. This is important because WhatsApp will send a verification code to your registered email address. Make sure you have access to the email account associated with your WhatsApp account.
Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp.
Next, you need to uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp application on your device. Here's how you can do it. 1. Go to your device's app settings. 2. Find WhatsApp in the list of installed apps. 3. Tap on WhatsApp and select the option to uninstall. 4. Once WhatsApp is uninstalled, go to your device's app store. 5. Search for WhatsApp and reinstall it.
Account recovery.
Now that you have reinstalled WhatsApp, follow these steps to recover your account. 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. 2. Tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms and conditions. 3. On the verification screen, enter your registered email address instead of a phone number. 4. Tap on Next, and WhatsApp will send a verification code to your email. 5. Check your email inbox for the verification code. 6. Enter the verification code in the WhatsApp app. 7. Set up a new password for your WhatsApp account. 8. Complete the setup process by providing your profile information.
Importing your chat history. Optional.
If you want to import your chat history, you can do so if you had previously backed up your chats to Google Drive, Android, or iCloud, iPhone. Here's how to import your chat history. 1. During the setup process, WhatsApp will prompt you to restore your chat history. 2. Tap on Restore when prompted. 3. WhatsApp will then retrieve your backed up chat history from the cloud and restore it to your device. Please note that this step is optional, and you can choose to skip it if you don't have a chat backup. Congratulations! You have successfully recovered your WhatsApp account without a phone number. Remember, it's important to keep your email address updated in your WhatsApp account settings to avoid any future account recovery issues. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.